Hi guys, thanks for tuning in to this car tech video. In this video we're going to do a short demonstration of the iCarsoft CR Pro diagnostic tool, which is available at Diagnostic World. It's www.diagnostic-world.com. I'm going to put a link to this kit in the description below this video. But right now we're in a Porsche Cayenne with a check engine light. We've previously had a really lumpy RPM, really fluctuating RPM needle there. So we've previously diagnosed the fault on this car, and we've now fixed the fault. We just need to go through the whole process of actually erasing the trouble codes and erasing the check engine light. But I'm going to show you what fault we've been getting first of all. So the CR Pro kit, sorry, I get that right, is plugged into the diagnostic port of the vehicle. So the other end of this cable is plugged in right underneath the dashboard there. And we're going to select diagnostics from the menu here. So we click on to enter, and it's going to take us through and ask us to select our specific manufacturer. So I'm not sure how well it's picking this up on screen here, but we need to find Porsche, which is there, and then we just click the version, and then we select our specific vehicle. So we're looking for Cayenne 2011 onwards because it's a 2013 model, and we're going to select manual. It's not a manual car, it's just we're going to manually select the system in which we wish to diagnose. So DME, the digital engine electronics, is what we want to diagnose, and I'm going to click enter on that. And it's going to take us through into an area where it'll give us a little bit more information, but ultimately to read the fault codes. So I'm going to select that. It's giving us one fault code, and it's telling us P010400. Hot film mass airflow sensor, no signal. So that explains why we've been getting a problem with the RPMs. There was no regulation for the air coming into the engine. It was just sort of, there was nothing there. So that's why we've been getting a problem there. But since we put the new MAF in, obviously, as you can see, it's very steady, that line there, that RPM. But to get rid of the check engine light and the trouble codes, we just simply need to click on to clear fault memory, and this is our way of telling the ECU or the computer that, we fixed the problem. Can you do a quick check of the system, and if everything is okay, then it should allow us to turn off this and get rid of the fault code as well. So I'm going to click on to clear fault memory, and then I'm going to click on to click enter. It's just one final confirmation. So when I click enter, just keep an eye on the check engine light. And there we go. Check engine light is gone, erase operation done on screen. And what we can do is go back into read fault code section, and it's telling us no fault codes found. So that's all thanks to the iCarsoft CR Pro kit. As I say, it works on all different makes and models, and it works on all different systems within those makes and models. It's available at Diagnostic World. It's www.diagnostic-world.com, and as I mentioned earlier, I'm going to put the link to this kit in the description below this video. Highly recommended for Mustard Car Tech. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps.